Hi everyone, I'm Edwin Johnston. I'm the Global Art Director for KMS and Goldwell, and I've just spent 2 amazing days here at Suki's in Vancouver. We introduced our new haircutting program, which is bobs 2 ways and layers 2 ways. With the bob, we work with both the scissors and the razor. The whole structure of the class is combining classic techniques with a lot more individuality, a lot more artistic flair, and then of course using the product to create something really special. Today, which was day 2, we worked on our layers 2 ways. We worked on kind of a shaggy wolf cut in the morning, and this afternoon we finished with a strong bi-level sort of mullet. And I think these are important because I think it offers something a bit more contemporary and different. I got a lot of positive feedback from the team. They were super excited to be showing these layering techniques because I think when we're training, we spend so much time working on bob shapes. We kind of forget about the layers. Sometimes we just layer hair like we did from that first day on the floor. So to explore different ways to layer hair that's a bit more exciting and a bit more contemporary and still building shape is really important. So that's what we explored today, and utilizing the razor to get lots of texture and movement in the hair. This is something that's really in style right now. Yeah, I just thought it was a wonderful day. I was super impressed that we were able to put this program on here. The Suki's team was wonderful, and I hope we'll be back for more. Thank you.